Gantry loader is great for continuous operation. There's really no comparison to manually loading and unloading a machine. Looking at the machine behind me, you would need an operator loading and unloading a part, opening and closing the main door every 30 seconds. Generally, the process for a gantry works very similar. You always have some kind of stocking system on one side of the machine. The gantry comes, picks up the raw part, brings it over top of the machine, drops it in the machine, picks up the finished part, and returns that to the stocking system. There's several variations to this. You can have a single stocker that holds raw material and finished parts, or you can have two stockers, one for raw, one for finished, or even both can hold both. The gantry can also be flexible to where you can add additional components to the system. You can have things like a reject station or a quality station, a post-op gauging station to make live adjustments to the machining program while it's running.
If someone is familiar with Okuma controls, it is very easy for them to pick up the use of this pulse handle. There's one key switch that sets it to either move the machine or move the gantry loader, and the program on the screen is using similar codes that the machine would for cutting parts. The operator is able to see multiple screens on the pulse handle for the gantry loader. They're able to see the program that is currently running, and they're able to look at inputs and output statuses, parameters that are tied to the machine, and gantry position points.
A gantry loader can significantly increase your production throughput. Not just can you run unattended at night if you set it up, you can also have one operator attending multiple machines because all they have to do is stock and restock material instead of loading and unloading every part manually. From a safety and ergonomics standpoint, the gantry loader is a great automation solution for you. It not only eliminates the operator having to load and unload every single part every time, it also allows you to prepare and stock multiple parts before the gantry takes care of all the heavy lifting. On average, for our automation systems, we see an ROI of between 6 to 9 months. On a gantry, due to the high production volume, you can actually see that return much sooner than that, depending on your part. One of the great things about the Okuma Gantry Loader is that if you have an operator that can run your machine, you can also run our gantry. However, we do have dedicated application engineers here at Okuma that will help you install these gantries and that can help you with your part program, your gantry program, and your setup.